first phase saw the project introducing new technologies from China to Uganda, technologies like improved varieties of mushrooms, improved varieties of apple, improved varieties of maize. In the second phase, we had an extension of these technologies into the communities. The third phase was born out of demand and necessity to upscale the achievements of both phase 1 and phase 2 to commercial proportions. The farmers will benefit in terms of mastering the knowledge of production of rice, mastering the knowledge of production of millet, foxtail millet. This is technology from China. They will master agronomic practices. They will also benefit from the machinery capabilities of the industrial parks.
From the China part, they will be sending experts to be working at the community level to help us improve some agronomic practice. But the idea is also to scale the operations when it comes to production, but put an emphasis on how we become more effective and how we can improve productivity. So the third phase, we have more resources, both from the government of Uganda, also FAO, and the government of China.